Welcome to my lecture on land subdivision. One of the common tasks of a surveyor is to subdivide a certain parcel or piece of land. Say a property is to be divided among two heirs of a deceased lot owner. Another is, say, a property is to be subdivided into three with the requirement that each should have the same frontage along the road. Or still another is, say, a property is to be partially expropriated by the government to pave the way for a road construction traversing the property. So in each of these cases and many other cases require knowledge of land subdivision. And this is exactly what we're going to learn in this lecture. We take on the first case, which is the simplest as far as land subdivision is concerned. And that this is when the dividing line passes through two specified points. So, say for example, we are given this parcel of land and we are to divide this into two by a line that passes through A and ending at the midpoint of line CD. Let us say that it terminates at A prime, which is the midpoint of line CD. So we will determine the direction as well as the length of the dividing line, and we also determine the technical descriptions of the two resulting sublots. So let us provide the data for this parcel. You have the distances and the bearings of the lines comprising the boundaries of the given tract of land. So first thing first is to calculate for the latitudes and the departures of the boundaries of the lot. So the table gives us the latitudes and the departures. Again, the latitude is determined by multiplying the distance by the cosine of the bearing, and for the departure, the distance is multiplied by the sine of the bearing. So we have to situate that the latitudes and the departures must be balanced, or in other words, the summation must be equal to 0. So to continue, we will consider tract A, B, C, A prime. So we create a table for the latitudes and the departures of the sides AB, BC, CA prime, and A prime A. Now, A prime is the midpoint of CD. So, the latitude of CA prime as well as its departure will be 1/2 the latitude or the departure of line CD. So the latitude of CA prime is 1/2 the latitude of CD, which is negative 11.5, and the departure of CA prime is 1/2 the departure of CD, which is negative 25.53. Okay, now how about the latitude and the departure of A prime A? Since ABCA prime is a closed traverse, then naturally the sum of the departures and the latitudes will be equal to 0. So adding up all the latitudes and the departures of the lines equal to 0, we'll be able to find the latitude and the departure of A prime A. And these are 43.15 and negative 5.52 respectively. Since we know the latitude and the departure of line A prime A, we can calculate for its distance or length using Pythagorean theorem, the square root of the latitude of A prime A squared plus the departure of A prime A squared, giving us the length of 43.21 meters. As for the direction or bearing of line A prime A, it will be the arctangent of the departure of A prime A over the latitude of A prime A, which is north 7 degrees 9 minutes west. The direction northwest is from the fact that the latitude is positive and the departure is negative. Now, the distance CA prime is 1/2 the distance of line CD, and the bearing of CA prime is the same as the bearing of side CD. So here is the subdivided lot. The resulting lots are lot 1A and lot 1B. So we tabulate the bearings and distances of the lines comprising each sublot. For lot 1-A, we have the lines AB, BC, CA prime, and A prime A. And for lot 1-B, we have the sides A prime, A prime D, D, E, and EA. Observe that the bearing of A prime is southeast opposite to the bearing of line A prime A, which is northwest. So this completes our computations regarding the subdivided lot or the lot subdivided into two by a line beginning at A and terminating at the point A prime. In practice, and this is what you will normally see in a subdivision plan, the corner points are numbered consecutively. 1 for lot 1A, 1, the corner points are 1, 2, 3, and 4, and for lot 1B, the corner points are also numbered consecutively 1, 2, 3, and 4. So notice that for lot 1A, the corner points are numbered outside the sublot, and for the adjacent lot, the corner points are numbered inside the sublot. If ever lot 1A is to be further divided into 3, then the resulting lots will be labeled as lots 1-A-1, 1-A-2, and 1-A-3. The technical descriptions of the lots are also indicated in the subdivision plan. So these are the technical descriptions for lot 1-A and for lot 1-B. Thank you for listening.